So I used a shop that really didn't care what they were doing a long time ago, but they never tucked the carpet back in underneath that center console, and it goes all the way to the back, so stuff's been getting in there. So to finally fix that issue, time to stop being lazy, and I'm just gonna remove these seats. Now, kind of want to position the seat where you can get to the bolts. They're 8mm. They're probably some special bolt, but I've never seen them before. That's it right there. Let me go grab a... Me personally, I am just doing this so I can get to carpet, but to fully get to that, actually a little access panel right here. Oh, I'm never going to get in there. All right, so I'm going to slide this chair up to get to those two Phillips head screws. These are the same Phillips size screws that are throughout the entire vehicle. Same ones in your glove box, your dash. So that makes it kind of nice. Because I want to pull this out. Yeah, if you want to remove your whole center console, you got to access them from both sides. And actually, just this one side done, you can lift up on this entire assembly right here. So it's not very hard to remove that. And I did see a diagram for removing the gear shift, and it does state to remove that from Suzuki. I don't have the upgraded one. My last Kizashi did, and it was way nicer than the one that's in the vehicle. It actually matched the seats, but it was a very expensive upgrade. That one was broke, so of course Suzuki never issued a recall for it. They just let that one go. Okay. Here's what it looks like. That's the carpet. I'm going to take this all out and vacuum it. Make it look nice again. After I pulled that off, I'll put that back. I need two hands. So anyways, here's what mine currently looks like. I'll put a picture up on the screen of what the upgraded Suzuki gear shift. This one has a tendency to stick and fail. Mine hasn't, thankfully, but I know my last two did, and I had to replace them. So again, hopefully there's a picture up on your screen so you can see what it looks like. All right, so just in case I needed it, I went and grabbed a swivel bit. Anyways, these should come out pretty easy. 8mm. And do the other one. I already took one out of the rear before I decided to bring you guys along. You know, I've never done this before, nor could I find anything online about this. Well, with the Suzuki, it doesn't surprise me. Does not surprise me one bit. These are also, yep, 8. Okay, your seat is free. Now, I just gotta find some wires underneath there. Try to see what the best way to find them. Can't really move the chair, so I'll move it backwards. There you go. Ordered some picks for these, but it didn't come in yet. And I'm not waiting. Go grab a flathead. Actually, I'm gonna try something first. No, on second thought, I'm not even gonna disconnect it, because here's all I really need to get to. The carpet that's protruding out the side of that. But anyways, that's how you remove your front seat of the Kizashi. It's just these 2 wiring harnesses right here. One, I'm assuming, is to the power seat, and the other is to the heating element in the seats. Yeah, here's a motor. There's a motor if you need to replace that on yours. Can't even see that heating element. That might actually be part of the inner part of the seat, which is probably why they will not replace it. Controller assembly front seat. Wow, yeah. So anyways, I know with my, I got an aftermarket warranty, and they said they do not replace the seats, or I'm sorry, the heated seats in the Kizashi. And now I see why. It's probably because they have to replace all of it, and they're not really wanting to fork that kind of money over. So anyways, this is what you're looking for. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Hit that like button, and I'll keep more Suzuki videos coming to you. Till next time.